Hello everybody, I hope that you're doing well. Today's video is an exciting one. Today I'm going to be unboxing my first order from Baum Kuchen. I ordered a bunch of stuff from them recently and I just got the package in the mail today. It came during my lunch, so we're going to sit down together and unbox it. And I haven't opened it yet, so I don't know what's in, well, I do know what's in here, but I haven't actually seen it yet and confirmed anything, but I am really excited to open this with you guys and show you guys what I got and the things that I'm excited to purchase from them. One thing I'll mention before I unbox is I live in Canada, so I just want to put a warning to my fellow Canadians out there. The shipping for this package was very expensive, and it was shipped with DHL, which means that there's a 10 out of 10 chance that you're gonna get customs charges on it. So I did just want to kind of include that small disclaimer before I unbox this. As exciting as the stationery is, I did try to buy all the things I wanted from this shop in one go because I knew that the shipping was expensive, but even knowing that, I will just say, this is probably, unfortunately, the most shipping I've paid on a package ever. So yeah, just wanted to give you a heads up. I'm still really excited to have these items and I don't regret buying them at all. I just wanted to mention that for visibility because I wouldn't want anyone going to get stuff from this shop after seeing this video and then being really disheartened by the cost of shipping. So yes, I did pay quite a bit for shipping, but I think I've said all there is to say about that. Let's now get into the package itself and I'll show you everything I got. So the last time I tried to unbox something on video, I accidentally cut my finger open. So let's try not to do that this time. Oh, okay. I also don't want to accidentally cut into any products, of course. So, okay. I think that's oh, wow. So this is the elusive Baum Kuchen packaging that I have heard about. Wow. Oh, I've seen this before. This is like the really cool, is this a receipt or their business card? Oh, it's like a bookmark. Perfect. I will be using that. And then this is, it's like a fun little, is this the invoice? Let's see. So you unwrap it. There's a nice message. This kind of reminds me of one of those, I'm just gonna pull this off camera. Yeah, because it's my invoice. Oh, cool. Yeah, it reminds me of those like things that you'd make in like primary school. I think they're called cootie catchers. Is that correct? No, maybe not, but like you fold it and then you, yeah, anyway, got this. We have a really beautiful, oh, these are stickers. Look at these. These are these like package stickers. Oh, these are so cute. Look, they come on this kind of like frosted, like semi-transparent material. And they're little Baum Kuchen packages. That's really cute. I'm just gonna start to like collect the packaging over here. And then we have some stickers, which I wonder if I can save. I'm kind of that person who like tries to save all the stickers so I can put them in my journal. So stand by while I carefully peel these off. Haha, okay. Got that. Okay, I will be saving these for my journal. Perfect. Oh, I love it when you get fun stickers with your order. I feel like that's such a stationery lover thing to say. Okay, so here it is. So my order is right here. So I guess I'll just lay it out for you guys. I got 3 items in total. I'm gonna grab my invoice so I can tell you the proper name. This is the A6 notebook cover in seashell. This is the Travel for Life wallet in seashell. And then this is the Travel for Life brass plate. Okay, so first item is the Travel for Life brass plate. I bought this specifically to go onto my passport traveler's notebook. I've always wanted this charm to put on my TNs, but I didn't want to just order this itself because that didn't make sense with shipping. So that will be going on here, and this is really beautiful. I have only one other charm, which is this one by Wonder Pens. And I really love the brass charm from them. So this will be a nice addition to my passport notebook. And then, let's see, I think I'll do this one next. Okay, so this, oh, this is really pretty. This is the A6 journal cover. This is in, here, I'll just move that like that. This is in the color Seashell. So they just released this color, I think, recently, because I saw it on their Instagram. And I mean, I knew, I'd been wanting a cover and a wallet from them. And when I saw this color, I kind of thought, okay, this is the one. So I picked this up along with the wallet and just kind of wanted to get everything together just so it made the most sense for me. Let's see. So I think, let me just do this now. This is my bullet journal. It's an A6 Stalogy. I bought this with the intention to put this in here. So you have the lovely tag that you get with the Superior Labor products. I do know that. Oh, this will be cool. Let me show you guys a quick comparison. This is the same leather. This is the undyed leather, and it's like very pale, very new form. And this is actually how it looks patinaed. So I know you guys have seen this, but I always find it kind of wild to compare because I forget how much that cover has changed. But let me put this in here and then we can see how it fits with the notebook. So it fits pretty snug. I wouldn't say there's a lot of wiggle room, which is great because the Stalogy, I think, is a bit of a thicker notebook in terms of fit, but let's see, this is how it looks. This spine here will probably kind of break in a little bit as I use it. I've kind of noticed that with other covers and products that I have, but ooh, I really like this. Let's go to my daily log that I haven't filled out yet. Okay, so yeah, you can shift the notebook around a bit just as you kind of figure out what works for you, which is cool. The inside here has one big slip pocket. So you could like put something like this in here, or if you had maybe, I think this would be a bit big, but you could probably, yeah, okay. So if you really wanted to, you could get like another little notebook in here if you wanted to, which is cool, good to know. I like how it's just one slip pocket because I never know what to do when I have like all these pockets, but one I can work with. And then the back here is leather. So this is a leather piece. It has the Superior Labor embossing. Someone told me this is the old logo. I think the new one looks like this, if I heard correctly, but that's a different topic for a different day. So I think you could fit like a picture here or another slip of paper. One thing to just be aware of though is leather scratches. So if you're like slipping things in, it might scratch the leather, but oh, this is so cute. Oh, I'm really glad I got this. I like how, oh, I didn't mention before, but this is actually canvas. So The edges are leather, the inside bit here is leather, but then the outside is entirely canvas, which I kind of like for my bullet journal because I bring it around the house a lot, and I mean, it is a pretty light color of canvas, but I think it should be a little more, I don't want to say durable, because again, it's pretty light, but I liked the canvas. I don't really have a canvas cover, so this is very cool. And then this is paint here, but yeah. Okay, so this is wonderful. What a lovely cover. I'm excited to use that. And it doesn't come with a pen loop, but I usually just kind of whack my pen inside my notebook. So nothing new there. Okay, so this is the wallet. So it's the same colorway as the cover. It's just a different one. This is for the traveler's notebook in the standard size. So I will be putting this, let me grab it, in this notebook here, which will be lovely. It has the Superior Labor logo here. There are 3 card slots, a big slot, and then you have this other slot here. You have that same brass charm. So this just comes sewn to the wallet. And then you have a zipper, which is very like smooth, I would say. Like it's not hard to open. And then you have like a pocket here to store some other things in. So interesting. I was curious about this wallet, how like thick it was going to be, because I know with these wallets, because it's like canvas with the leather etching, I wasn't sure if it would, you know, create a lot of bulk for the notebook. So I'm just gonna switch out this wallet for now. And I think I'll take this out for the moment too. There we go. This is the card folder. So I just have my writing board and my grid notebook in my TN right now. So let me just slip this in and we can see how it fits. Oh, perfect. Okay, so this is my personal journal. I've been kind of using this as a personal journal again. I said I would use it as an ink journal, but I don't know. I'm trying something else and experimenting for now, but okay, so very cool. So the wallet completely encompasses the notebook. You can actually see this is a dark color. You can see a bit of it through. So the canvas isn't super opaque, which is fine. Just an observation. I'm trying to like give you guys the details so you can see what these things look like too, in case you're curious about what they are because you're considering buying them. I'll close this for now. I wonder if this would add like a lot of bulk writing. Yeah, so it would. So you definitely need like a writing board to kind of help with this zipper interfering here, where you could just take out the insert, whatever. But it does fit very nicely. And let's see, closing the traveler's notebook with just one insert in. Let's see how it fits. So it looks like this. So it fits pretty well. I would say this is like a nice thickness. I think it could definitely get a bit chunky with 2 inserts, so something to keep in mind, but I really like this. This is really lovely too. Oh, wow. Okay. So we got that in there. I'm curious to see, the camel leather doesn't really transfer any color, but I'd be curious to see if it comes off on the canvas at all. I will keep you guys updated on that, but I'll just put that there for now. That is all the items I got. I only got a couple, but they are a little more expensive. So bigger bang per item, I guess. But yeah, those are all the items I got from Baum Kuchen. Overall, very happy with them. I really love everything I got. Very excited about this cover to hold my bullet journal. I think this is absolutely gorgeous. I love the off-white and white design going on here. And yeah, I guess you guys will see these in a couple of my videos going forward. But that was my mini haul, which probably was a small haul with a giant rant talking about stationery, but what else is new? And yeah, that is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for my patrons for supporting me, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, everybody.